the shift boot and the shift knob successfully removed from the vehicle, press the knob all the way into the boot. Line up the grooves on the plastic black fastener piece and wiggle it until it comes off. There we go. There should be a black plastic piece here. Feel free to remove that as well. With that, you can remove the shift knob from the shift boot and replace or take good care of your shift boot. You can extend it out all the way. I've done this before. I bought leather dye, but you can condition it, you can detail it, and actually get to all the pieces of it now for a longer lasting shift boot. Turning our attentions to the knob, to disassemble the knob and possibly detail and polish it, which I've done before, to change out this leather or to detail the leather. Start by prying out the silver top piece, secured just using clips. We're greeted with two small Torx screws. They are T8, and I'll include a link in the description to the precision set. Remove the two. And there are two grooves on either side. Just take the plastic with your back fingers. It gets a little up and then remove it. There you go. You can remove and polish the plastic piece. Now you can take care of these to your heart's content. Polish this, detail the leather, detail the boot. For reassembly, metal screw holes aligns with the screw holes like so. The leather slides back on into the grooves. Make sure that it's fastened on the bottom and that it won't come off and that you've installed this properly. Once that's done, place the two Torx screws into the shift knob. Now center and reinstall the shift numbers. They go towards the bottom, goes towards the white cap. With the shift knob reassembled, the flat part of the shift boot goes towards the front of the car and the rounded part goes towards the driver. Same with the numbers, they go this way. Turn the boot inside out, all the way, and insert the shift knob the way it goes. The way it should be oriented. On the other end, under the shift boot, insert this plastic ring as much as it'll go onto the shift knob. Then take your black plastic piece and put it onto the whole thing. And you can lock it in the open position so that it's ready for reassembly. There you go, now you can pull on the shift knob. It should be tight enough not to come out because this opening is small enough. And when you reinstall the shift knob, it will get perfectly straight because it will go on the metal lever and it will only let it go on one way. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Check out the other video for actually installing the shift knob and boot into the vehicle. Also check out all the other playlists on the channel.